Hey everybody, so I got a quick accessory haul slash tool haul from Cal Ranch Supply. It's like a tractor supply. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I went to Cal Ranch yesterday. Cal Ranch is similar to like Tractor Supply, but it's like a lot bigger. And I picked up some stuff. It wasn't a huge ton of what I picked up, but I picked up a couple items that I thought would be useful for me in the future. So, previous video I showed some Diablo blades, the 6-inch blades that I picked up from Home Depot. I picked up these Dewalt 6-inch blades. They are 0.045 metal cutting blades, max of 10,100 RPMs, which will be fine on the Milwauke or M18 fuel braking grinder or the Dewalt Flex Volt. They both do 9,000 RPMs. Picked up 2 of them. These were a little more expensive than the Diablos. At Cal Ranch, these were $4.99 a piece, where the Diablos at Home Depot were like $2.78 something a piece. And then I picked up this quick change impact adapter. It's got, this one is for 3/8 to 1/4 inch, and this one is part number 48-03-4405. And what this does is, if say all you have is a impact wrench on you, and I'll grab here's my stubby. So here's a 3/8 stubby, and say you have your stubby, you're using your stubby, or you know, a full size 3/8 impact of some kind, and you need to drive something with 1/4 inch bits. You could just pop this on to your stubby or whatever impact wrench you're using, and then you can grab a set of bits. Here's like a the new XPS Torx 15, and you could, these are not, it's not a quick insert, but you pull the collar back, slide it in, lock it in, and now your impact wrench is now an impact driver. Thought it was a useful little accessory that could be used in the future. It's pretty neat. It doesn't work good on the 1-inch bits. I think they're actually, yeah, about 1-inch bits, but it works good on like 2-inch bits, 3-inch bits, and so on. You know, it's just one of those things that another adapter, another use isn't bad to have. And then you could just pop it back off and go straight back to using your 3/8 sockets if you wanted to. I thought it was a neat little tool, and it was only $12. I didn't think it was like a huge deal. It wasn't like extremely expensive. And some of these specialty Milwaukee stuff, I do not find them at Home Depot. I've found them at other places, like, you know, Cal Ranch or Tractor Supply, stuff like that. This one is part number 48-32-2301, and it's a 11-piece 30-degree knuckle impact pivoting bit holder. And I like pivoting bit holders. I don't have very many of them. I have this one from Dewalt. It pivots, and then you can lock it in. Slide the collar down and it locks in. And then I have this one. This is made by It's made in Germany. But this one is actually was, I think, a Black & Decker, if I remember correctly. But I have a couple of these. I think I have like 3 or 4 of these because I use these a lot. And it's magnetic and it locks back into place. You can slide the collar down. I thought this one would be neat to try. It goes straight and pivot for tight spots to up to 30 degrees. And it come with some shockwave impact bits. And this one will hold the short 1-inch bits, no problem. Let me grab the little cutters. We'll cut this one open. And the last time I went to Cow Ranch, I picked up some steel combi system accessories, or I think it was blades or something. But just pop this open real quick. This is what it looks like. It says Shockwave Impact Duty on it. So you can lock it in that position. So it's more of a, instead of like these styles where they'll wobble constantly, it's more of a lock position. So if you need it at that specific angle, you can lock it in that position. And then if you don't, you want it straight, you can lock it in that position and it turns. This one's, which is exactly what the packaging says, it's a impact pivoting bit holder. I wouldn't consider it a wobble extension. Like these are wobbles, so they'll physically spin like this. So when it's spinning, it will change the degree depending on the angle of your arm or your hand. For this one, you lock it in that position. So to me, it's pretty nice. It's I think it's magnetic. It might also have a collar sleeve. Pull this bit out because it's kind of small for my hand. Or not. There it goes. It is magnetic. Yeah, it does have a little tensioning spring inside. But, not a huge haul. I don't know if they make this 1/4 inch to 3/8 anvil to 1/4 inch bit. I don't know if they make it in 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch. I have no idea, but I think this is a nice little accessory from Shockwave by Milwauke. Quick change impact adapter. Again, this one's 4803-4405, and the kit with the Shockwave pivoting adapter bit holder is 48-32-2301. And I just grabbed 2 of these Dewalt Blades, and these are actually FlexVolt accessories. That's probably why they were $4.99 a piece, because these are meant to go on the FlexVolt. all in all, I think this was like 43 bucks, something like that. You know, not extremely expensive. You know, and just a couple new accessories. Gives me something else to try out. Maybe I'll do a video on all these pivoting accessories that I have for 1/4 inch impact bits later down the road. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.
Yeah.